Welcome to the Big Challenge. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple steps to add students to your class. First, log into your teacher account and go to the My School tab to access your school dashboard. If you haven't created a class yet, please refer to the Organising Classes tutorial, which you can find linked in the description. On the right side of the page, locate the Your Students section and click Add a Student to continue. First, select the appropriate class from the dropdown. You have 3 options for adding students. Option 1. If your students had accounts last year, click on Import My Students from last year to bring them into the class. Select the students you want to import and click on Import Students button. Your students' accounts will be imported. Option 2. Invite students to create their accounts individually. They can join the class by entering the class code available on the class page. Option 3. Create student accounts manually. Here's how to do that. To create student accounts, click Create Account. You can enter student details in one of 3 ways. Copy and paste a list of student names. Upload a file containing first and last names. Manually enter student names one by one. Once you've entered the names, click Import. You will then see a list of the students you just added. If you have already purchased class activity licenses, you can enable access by selecting Yes in the Access to Class Activities dropdown. If a student already has an account on the app, you will see the message This student already has an account in the Duplicate Account drop-down menu. To use the existing account, select Link this account to my class. If you prefer to create a new account instead, choose I want to create a new account. Review the list carefully and then click Submit. Great! Your student accounts are now created. The newly created student account will be assigned a temporary password, which will be displayed in the Instructions to Join section. To help students log in, click the Download Instructions to Join button at the bottom of the student list. You can share these instructions with your students to help them access their accounts easily. Please note that only temporary passwords will be displayed in the Instructions to Join document. Passwords chosen by students will not be displayed. And that's it! Your students are now prepared to join the class and begin their learning journey. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching!